Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the highlights on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Edit Photo button at the upper side of the screen and select a picture from your gallery. Go to the fifth option, the Adjust, at the bottom of the page, and go to the Highlights option next to the Shadows button at the bottom of the screen. And just pile the line on the scale and you can edit the highlights on your picture, and you can select the people and the background and you can edit the highlights of this. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.